OMG, let's talk about stuff you need to know. In other words, learn it. In other words, if you don't learn it, you are throwing away marks. In other words, why on earth would you not just learn this stuff because it will get you cheap marks in the exam and may boost your grade? Newton's first law: an object will remain at rest or in uniform motion in a straight line unless acted upon by an external resultant force. Newton's third law: if a body A exerts a force on body B, then body B exerts an equal and opposite force on body A. Alpha particles are 2 protons, 2 neutrons. We also call them helium nucleus. It's heavy and slow, stopped by skin and paper, but it's very, very ionizing. It's the most dangerous. Beta is a fast-moving electron, and it's stopped by aluminium. It's quite ionizing because it's got a -1 charge. Gamma is a high-energy EM wave, and it's stopped by thick lead. It's not ionizing, but it's the most penetrating. It'll go through most materials. Half-life is the time taken for a radioactive isotope's mass or activity to decay by half. Radioactive decay is a random process. It's where unstable nuclei emit alpha, beta, or gamma because there's an imbalance between the number of neutrons and protons. A light year is the distance travel by light in 1 year. Isotopes, they're members of the same family of elements, and they have the same number of protons, but they do have a different number of neutrons. Terminal velocity is the maximum velocity an object will reach when the forces are balanced. Thinking distance plus braking distance gives you your stopping distance. Things affected by thinking distance are tiredness, distractions, drugs, alcohol, and age. And as speed doubles, the thinking distance also doubles. Braking distance is affected by tyre tread, brake pads, weather conditions, and the incline. It doubles, as speed doubles, the braking distance quadruples, increases by a factor of 4. Safety in cars: airbags, seatbelts, and crumple zones, they all increase the distance or the time over which energy is transferred. Therefore, force is reduced. Vehicle efficiency: aerodynamic losses reduced by more streamlined designs, rolling resistance reduced by correctly inflated tyres, and then idling losses are reduced by stop-start systems.